Hey there, got another box of Star Trek Next Generation Quotable to open. Did the International Edition last time. Here we have the North American Edition. Here's the box number. The difference just being a different insert set. So we're going to crack this open and see what we get. So I'll skip all the base. There's a longer video of the international box if you want to see all the base cards. So without further ado, the first one was a lot of fun, so I am hoping this one will be as well. A lot of good cards in these sets, or in this set. See, back from when the card game was out, late 90s. As you can see, they've come a long way since. When did this come out? Was it late 90s? I forget the year, but come a long way since this set. There's a lot more inserts and cool cards than just base. 40 packs of base is a little bit rough. I am excited to see what relic and autograph we got. Here's a comic cover fold out. The Q effect. It's a pretty cool idea. I like these. I mean, it's kind of, you can't really store it open, but I like it. Klingons do not faint. She did an okay job. I mean, she's no crusher, but I liked her for the season she was in. Nice. Alright, I will take that. And here's our autograph. Quotable, Michael Dorn, Lieutenant Worf. Only fools have no fear. It's a good one. Nice. I don't know how much this is value-wise, but it's a good autograph to get. I kind of wish they did a, I don't know, maybe a different image for the background one or something like that. I don't know. Just mumbling. Come on, man. This open. Another insert. Here's our makes a 3x3 picture. And our trading card game card, Sella. Can't remember if that's the same one I got last time. But never played the trading card game. Another insert. I have this one. Remember Picard's lovely bald head. That's the official name for the card, I'm sure. No, wait. Yeah, never mind. Alright, another comic fold out. Nice. I definitely have this one too. Pretty cool. Another insert. Come on. Sort of like almost sticky. There we go. Got maybe 12 packs left. Still a relic lurking in here somewhere. I bet that's our relic. Let's say that's the last. It just feels thicker. Or maybe it's actually, I could just be lying. Probably lying. Oh, there you go. Here's the box hit insert. Look at that shiny TV guide. Oh man, I don't know if they still make this. Oh, that's right. When I was saying late 90s, this is 2005. This set. Wow. LeVar Burton, Star Trek. Wow. Remember, we always used to have a TV guide in the coffee table. We read it like maybe once or twice. Oh, here we go. See, I was right. I said I was going to save it, but then I didn't. Pretty cool. Geordie Blue Forge. Feels nice. Here we go. There's our relic. I mean, the rest are going to be base, so you can probably just stop watching now. But I'm still gonna open the rest on camera. What I like about the newer sets is a little bit of the element of unknown, you know? It's not just, you know, like this, you get one relic, one autograph, and that's it. You know, some of the new ones, they've got like case set sketches, got cool metal cards, you know, all sorts of other stuff that's a little unpredictable. It's another comic. If I may be so bold, what the hell is going on around here? It's a good question, Riker. Let me know when you find out. I don't remember getting so many inserts last box, but I guess that's how it went. These packs are not easy to open. Alright, here we go, last pack. Alright, another little note about one of the autographs down in there. Cool, so let's just recap. Good stuff. We got a Forge relic. I think I got a Riker last time. And our autograph was Worf. Pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Look for more in the near future.